Today, we're taking a closer look at the HyperX Fury Black 64GB 3466MHz DDR4 CL17 DIMM kit, model HX434C17FB3K264. If you're on the hunt for a cost-efficient yet high-performance DDR4 upgrade, this kit might just be what you need. With its sleek, updated low-profile heat spreader design, the HyperX Fury Black not only performs well but also looks great in any build. This RAM is Intel XMP ready, which means it's easy to overclock and get the most out of your system with minimal effort. For those running AMD Ryzen systems, you'll be pleased to know that this kit is ready for AMD Ryzen as well, ensuring compatibility and optimized performance. The kit's memory speed clocks in at a blazing 3466 MHz, providing the speed necessary for demanding applications and gaming. One of the standout features of the HyperX Fury Black is its versatility. It's available in various speeds, up to 3733 MHz, and kit capacities up to 128 GB, allowing you to customize your system based on your specific needs. This particular kit offers 64 GB, which is more than sufficient for gaming, video editing, and other intensive tasks. In terms of performance, the HyperX Fury Black delivers consistently. Whether you're multitasking, gaming, or rendering videos, the 3466 MHz speed ensures smooth and responsive performance. The CL17 latency is competitive, striking a balance between speed and stability, which is crucial for both gamers and professionals alike. What sets this RAM apart is its cost efficiency. Despite its high performance, the HyperX Fury Black is priced competitively, making it an excellent choice for those looking to upgrade without breaking the bank. The heat spreaders do an excellent job of keeping temperatures in check, ensuring that your system remains cool even under heavy loads. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the DIMM form factor, and with the Intel XMP profiles, you can achieve optimal performance with just a few clicks in your BIOS. The build quality is solid, reflecting HyperX's reputation for reliable and durable components. In conclusion, the HyperX Fury Black 64GB 3466MHz DDR4 CL17 DIMM kit is a fantastic option for anyone looking to enhance their system's performance. Its combination of high speed, substantial capacity, and excellent value makes it one of the best DDR4 RAM options available on the market today. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or power user, this RAM kit is sure to meet and exceed your expectations. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.